This is actually a live battery life test. This computer's been running in our headquarters nearby for almost 24 hours now, and it is still going. This specific test is local video playback, actually for copyright reasons, but we're also achieving over 20 hours of Netflix 4K streaming. Wild, right? It's a long time. That's over 12 hours longer than our last generation Framework Laptop 13, and we've not only caught up to the 14-inch MacBook Pro M5 in a number of use cases, in this specific one, we're actually surpassing it. Wild, wild, wild battery life. We know battery life claims from device makers are usually totally bogus, so we're actually going to be publishing full-length videos and setup descriptions to our Framework YouTube channel over the coming months so you can actually repeat the same tests that we're running. So, what is the product that delivers this? What we're excited to announce today is the Framework Laptop 13 Pro. Yes. We actually did call it that. This is a complete blank slate redesign, and we've overhauled the entire experience. We took all of the expertise, all the resources, and all of the partnerships that are now available to us to build the perfect laptop for developers, power users, and anyone who just wants more out of their computer. So how do we get that massive leap in battery life? We optimized efficiency all throughout the system, but there are three core areas of improvement. First, the battery. This is now 74.45 watt-hours, and we've achieved that both by making the battery physically larger and by increasing the energy density to 850 watt-hours per liter. We also have a new 100-watt power adapter to support that larger battery. Next, we moved to Intel's latest Core Ultra Series 3 processor platform. Yeah, it's great. This offers a massive leap in efficiency over the last generation and over anything that we've shipped in a Framework laptop before. We're also using LP Cam 2. Whoa, OK. We've got some LP Cam stands in the crowd, apparently. This gives you the efficiency of LPDDR5X in a modular form factor. We've got capacities with up to 64 gigabytes. And in today's environment, when memory prices are just crazy high, that means you can pick up just the memory you need today, knowing that you can always upgrade in the future when you need to. We've got 3 configurations of Intel processors available: the Core Ultra 5, X7, and X9. A laptop isn't just about performance and efficiency. It's about the entire experience of using it. The chassis, the display, the input system, the audio. We've reset every part. This is now a fully CNC aluminum chassis. The top cover, input cover, and bottom cover are all machined from extruded blocks of 6063 aluminum, and you feel it immediately. This is more rigid, more refined, and just feels more solid in your hands. Just like we do for all of our laptops, we've released open source ID Surface CAD, so you can also start 3D printing your own accessories. We've also introduced this new finish that we're calling Graphite. I think it looks great. And if you have a Framework Laptop 13 already, we also have all of the new 13 chassis parts available in a silver colorway as well. Since we started from scratch on this product, for the first time, we designed an entirely custom display, specifically around the use cases that you want most from Framework Laptop 13. This is a 13.5-inch 2880 by 1920 panel with a 3:2 aspect ratio that gives you more vertical space for code and productivity. We kept it an LCD for maximum power efficiency, but this is no ordinary LCD. This has up to 700 nit brightness, 1800:1 contrast, and a novel anti-glare matte polarizer that makes it work great in any lighting condition. It has per unit color calibration for accuracy, and it supports variable refresh rate from 30 to 120 hertz so that everything from scrolling to animations just feels smoother. And finally, this is a touchscreen. It's one of those features that completely changes how you use a computer from day to day. We also redesigned the touchpad. This is now a piezo-based haptic touchpad using the same technology we just introduced on Framework Laptop 16. We know that touchpads are where Windows and Linux laptops have typically fallen behind MacBook Pro, so we put a ton of focus on this. We've spent months really tuning and perfecting the feel, and we can't wait to see what you think of it. On the keyboard, we kept the same great mechanical key structure, that 1.5 millimeters of key travel, but it actually feels even better now in that CNC chassis. We also added something new here that's a lot of fun. We've got keyboards available in different colorways. I think this looks awesome. And as always, keyboards are available in a wide range of languages and layouts. We also improved the audio. We now support Dolby Atmos with stereo side-firing speakers. The Atmos algorithms really level up the audio experience. It's both louder and clearer than before. Even with this complete overhaul, this is still a Framework laptop. We've got customizable bezel colors, hardware privacy switches, and expansion cards that support Thunderbolt so you can choose your ports. And of course, it's still a repairable and upgradable computer, and we still include a screwdriver right in the box. Even though we developed an entirely new chassis, the Mainboard is still backwards and forwards compatible with every Framework Laptop 13 that we've shipped. That means you can take the Framework Laptop 13 you already own, going all the way back to that original 11th gen Intel Core, and drop in the latest Intel Core Ultra Series 3 processor. That is a massive leap in performance, all in the laptop that you already own. You can also upgrade your original Framework Laptop 13 piece by piece to get access to every one of those new refinements and features that we've introduced on the Pro. This is a Framework product. We're living up to the promise of longevity. You own it, you can do what you want with it. In addition to Intel Core Ultra Series 3, we also have versions of Framework Laptop 13 Pro with AMD's Ryzen AI 300 series processors. The choice is yours. Pre-orders open today for DIY edition starting at $11.99, with pre-built starting at $14.99. Shipments begin this June.